Hi, this is Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management, welcoming you to 6711 West Harwell. This is a 2,449 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Let's go ahead and go inside. You'll love this traditional floor plan as you enter to the living room, and you have your dining room, or game room in this case. And as you proceed through the home, here is your eat-in kitchen. The kitchen has granite countertops, a nice island, and look at all the cabinetry. And bonus, fridge is included. Here is your family room, pre-wired for surround sounds. Notice the natural light in all the windows. As you come through to the right, you have the laundry with the entrance from the garage. To the other side is the half bath for company. And one of the best, most useful features is this can be either a formal dining room or an office. And this is located just off the family room. Okay, let's go ahead and take you upstairs. As we head upstairs, let's turn back around and you can see the nice open floor plan. As we reach the top of the stairs to your left, there's a nice loft area. And as we proceed down the hallway, as we come up to the right, here is the first bedroom. And as you can see, this is the boys' bedroom currently. Nice windows, fan, nice size. Directly across the hall is the bathroom. Plenty of room for the vanity. And then you got your tub and shower in the other room, so you could have kids using it simultaneously or company. And then down at the end of the hall is what would be currently the girls' bedroom. Nice and pretty. At the top of the stairs to the left is the master bedroom. We have a walk-in closet. Large open. Separate tub and shower. Is the water closet. As we head downstairs and outside, this is probably the biggest selling feature of this home. Here in Phoenix, your average lot is 6,600 square feet. This lot is over 18,000 square feet. Plenty of room for your pool, for your toys, whatever else you might like. You got an extended length patio with fan. Notice the lights. On the other side, you do have RV gate. And how many toys do you think you could fit in this space? Over 18,000 square feet. On a cul-de-sac lot, a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, nearly 2,500 square foot home, across the street from the play area. What else could you ask for? This is Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a great day. Give me a call, 602-821-7460.